And not very long time ago, the north of England was the epicentre of manufacturing, an industrious place with hard-working people producing quality steel, textiles and iron. The northern powerhouse. Some things are still the same today. Tenacity, ambition, creativity, generosity, pride, innovation, bravery, humility. It's our future. We get to define what we want to do, what we want to be known for, what difference we make. Our vision is to drive the future of business through cutting-edge and conscientious technology development. Championing people first, challenging the norm, digitally transforming, innovating disruptively, progressing our society, to make the north of England a place to be proud of again, and the UK the hub of digital manufacturing. How? We're going to focus on the north. Equal opportunities, digital transformation of traditional industries, boost productivity with Industry 4.0, advanced manufacturing. Sheffield is the home to world-leading research and innovation centres. We will revitalise traditional manufacturers to future change makers. Healthcare. The importance of healthcare was reinforced by the pandemic. We will improve long-term well-being of our society. Energy and climate. The UK is second in Europe for energy technology investment. We will alter the path of climate change for future generations. Here we are, together, to drive the future of business through cutting-edge and conscientious technology development. Are you ready? Come on then, let's do it.